Spell is the local badge of abracadabra money, a decentralized money DeFi stage that permits clients to stake, loan, and homestead yields, with Spell filling in as the administration and utility token to open different elements and advantages Gibber the biological system. Assuming you're searching for Spell token cost expectations gauge for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Spell will go from here on out. We will examine the previous costs of Spell and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Freedom, remember that you want to take this Gibber and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so amazing as Gibber inconceivable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest jabber. We should begin. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by one jabber in its ongoing worth. Gibber, we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Spell with yesterday's. You can see that the market cap is additionally down. We anticipate future Spell token cost expectation Spell estimate by applying profound computerized reasoning Gibber specialized examination on the past value information of Spell token. We give a Gibber effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the Spell coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Spell token market cap, Spell token volume and applesauce any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into Gibber cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Spell Gibber value forecast outline. Constant information shows Spell token is exchanging at 0.0 disappointment jabber $789. There is potential for Spell token cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as 0.016 jabber toward the finish of 2025. Spell token cost estimate recommends a chance of Spell exchanging between $0.087 to $0.0107 in 2030. The negative cost expectation for Spell token Spell in 2040 is Gibber $0.5047, with a likely high of $0.596. Spell token value Gibber 2024. The cost of Spell Gibber is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.094 in 2024. The Spell token cost can arrive at a greatest degree of Gibber $0.011 with the typical cost of $0.098 all through 2024. Spell token value Gibber 2025. Gibber to the conjecture and specialized examination. In 2025, the cost of Spell token is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $0.014. The Spell cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.016 with the typical worth of $0.014 Gibber. Spell value Gibber for 2026. Gibber to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2026, the cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.021. The Spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.024 with the Gibber exchanging cost of $0.021. Spell Gibber Spell value forecast 2027. Spell token cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of Gibber $0.029 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Spell cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.036 with the typical gauge cost of $0.003. Spell token value Gibber 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Spell, in 2028, the cost of Spell token is Jabber to be at around a base worth of $0.042. The Spell token value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.051 with the typical exchanging worth of Gibber $0.043 in USD. Spell Gibber value forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SPEL, in 2029 the cost of SPEL token is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.062. The SPEL cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.074 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.063. SPEL value expectation 2030. The cost of SPEL token is anticipated to reach at any rate of $0.087 in 2030. The SPEL token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.107 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.09 all through 2030. SPEL value gauge 2031. SPEL token cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 0.0122 in 20.1. According to our discoveries, the SPEL cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.015 with the typical gauge cost of $0.126. SPEL value expectation 20 freedom 2. The cost of SPEL token is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.0183 in 20 2. The SPEL token cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.0211 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0189 all through 20 2. SPEL value expectation 2033. The cost of one SPEL is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $0.0264 in 2033. The SPEL cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.031 with the typical cost of $0.0272 all through 2033. SPEL token value 2040. The reception and certifiable use of a digital currency are similarly imperative contemplations. Projects with functional applications and far and wide reception are bound to over the long haul. According to the SPEL cost gauge for 2040, SPEL is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.596 in 2040. The base cost of SPEL coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $0.5047, while the typical cost of the SPEL for 2040 is projected to be $0.5368. SPEL value for 2050. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute to standard acknowledgement. In view of our SPEL token cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $0.714 and can reach as high as $0.8249 for the year 2050. It can at a normal typical cost of $0.7444. SPEL token value gauge What amount will SPEL token be worth in 20 As far as value, SPEL token has a remarkable to arrive at new levels. SPEL will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business SPEL token can stir things up around town cost of $0.0107 till 2030. How high can SPEL go? The typical cost of SPEL token could go to 0.098 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the